Today, we're diving deep into the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This phone is a game changer packed with features that are going to leave you stunned. Let's unbox this beast and explore what it has to offer. First impressions, this thing is a looker. The new design with slim bezels and that sleek camera visor gives it a premium feel. It's comfortable to hold and the build quality is top-notch. Let's see what's inside the box. We've got the phone itself, a USB-C cable, and a new 45-watt charger to take advantage of that fast charging speed. Simple, but effective. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the display. This 3000 nit panel is absolutely insane. Whether you're outdoors on a bright sunny day or enjoying your favorite content indoors, the colors pop and the visuals are crisp. It's a viewing experience like no other. Under the hood, we have a significant upgrade in RAM. Google has generously bumped it up to handle those demanding AI tasks with ease. And let's not forget the impressive 37-watt fast charging. You can go from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes, which is a lifesaver when you're on the go. But wait, there's more. The Pixel 9 Pro XL introduces ultrasonic fingerprint scanning to the US market outside of Samsung. It's fast, reliable, and works even when your fingers are wet. A small but incredibly useful feature. Now let's talk about the camera. Google has outdone themselves once again. The Super Res Zoom is now available for videos, so you can capture those distant moments in stunning detail. And the new Magic Editor with the Raymagine feature is mind-blowing. You can literally transform your photos with just a few taps. Want a different sky or a completely new background? No problem. The Add Me feature is a fun addition for group photos. It combines multiple shots to ensure everyone is included, even the person taking the picture. And let's not forget about auto frame, which automatically adjusts the framing of your photos for the perfect shot. Google's AI is taking center stage with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Gemini Live brings conversational AI to your fingertips, allowing you to have natural conversations with your phone. And with Gemini 1.5 Flash, you'll experience even faster and more accurate responses. Pixel Screenshots is a game changer for information management. Capture anything on your screen and the phone intelligently extracts key details. Need to find that product price or event information? It's just a screenshot away. Pixel Studio is another creative tool at your disposal. Generate stunning images with simple text descriptions. It's like having a personal artist in your pocket. Satellite OS is a feature we hope you'll never need, but it's incredibly reassuring to have. If you find yourself in an emergency situation with no cell service, you can connect to emergency services via satellite. The new weather app with AI-generated reports is a handy addition to your daily routine. And let's not forget about the design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is a looker with its slim bezels and fresh camera visor. It feels great in the hand and the build quality is top-notch. Google is also committed to long-term support with 7 years of OS updates. This ensures your phone stays up-to-date and secure for years to come. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is an impressive device that delivers on all fronts. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its innovative camera features and advanced AI capabilities, this phone has it all. So what do you think about the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.